everyone, today I'm going to show you how to split two video clips vertically or horizontally using Kdenlive editor. So here I have two videos added to the project bin in Kdenlive. Let's add these videos to the timeline. Drag and drop first video to track 1 and the second video to track 2. Okay, now I can see that both videos are slightly different in duration, so let me just left click here and drag this video in track 1 so I match both clips. Okay, now if we want to split the screen vertically first, let's select the clip in track 2 or the video that you have here on your preview window, then open effects. If you don't see effects here, then just navigate here to the upper right hand side and open effects through here. Now in the effects search box, type in crop and you should see an effect crop, scale and tilt. Now drag and drop this effect to your video in track 2. So once you apply the effect, you will notice crop, scale and tilt settings opening here. And in here we have to use crop left. So if you adjust the slider, you can see we're cropping the video and keeping the right hand side. So cropping the left side, or crop right hand side. So we keep this part of the video. Or alternatively, you might want to crop a bit from left and a bit from right, like this. So in this case, I want to focus on the controller and the hands. So I might use a bit from left and a bit from right. And now lastly, I just need to reposition this clip so that I have it either on the left or the right. So to do that, I just need to go back to Effects, search box, and type in and find an effect called Transform. Now drag and drop this effect on the same video in track 2. And here we have Transform effect settings. So right now we can literally just left click here on this video and drag it across the screen to position it where we want. Or I can just use these position values here. So if we're moving the clip to the left or right, I can literally navigate over this value in position X. Click on here and just when you click on the value, you can either type in the value or you can scroll up using mouse, and as you scroll up, your video is also moving to that location. So here I've moved this video to the right, and now we have this video on the left. And if I replay, this is the result of splitting the screen vertically. Now, if we wanted to split the screen using the same clips horizontally, all we have to do is just go back, select this video in track 2. Now let's delete these effects so we go back to square one. Now if I select this clip again in track 2, find the same effect, crop, scale and tilt, drag and drop it to video in track 2. And now instead of using crop left or crop right, we're going to use crop top, crop bottom. So again, same effect, cropping the top or cropping the bottom, but alternatively, again, you might want to use both. So again, this makes sense that you want to keep the area that is most relevant to you, right? So I'm keeping the visibility of controller and the hands. And again, need to position this clip either to the top or bottom. And we're going to find the same effect here, transform. Drag and drop it to the same clip in V2. And again, now instead of using position X, we are going to move the clip across axis Y. So click on this value and type in the value manually, or as you click on the value, you can literally just scroll up or down and position the clip where you want. So I'm going to position this clip here to the bottom. And right now, if I want to also see a bit more of this screen, what I'm going to do is just drag the same transform effect to my video in track 1. Then select the video in track 1. And right now, let's move this clip so that we have slightly better visibility of this screen. And again, since we're moving the clip up or down, we need to adjust axis Y. So let me scroll and position this clip, let's say around here. Okay, now if I replay these clips, this is the result of splitting screen horizontally in Kdenlive. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this was useful, and please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and see you in the next tutorial.